What is ball lightning and how does it happen? Welcome to the Fuzzi Space Channel. Have you heard of ball lightning? It is a rare and mysterious weather phenomenon. It looks like glowing spheres that float in the air during thunderstorms. Scientists are not completely sure how it forms, but some think it happens when electrical energy from lightning reacts with the air. These glowing balls can move quickly and sometimes even pass through walls. Their effects can be surprising. Ball lightning can cause fires or explode, which is very dangerous. Many people have seen it, but it is hard to study because it does not appear often. Isn't that strange?